Oh my goodness. I can't believe I'm saying this, but I feel like I am now officially a stone throw away from 4,000 hours. I can't believe that within 1 year, I got over the 1,000 people and I got 4,000 hours. Like, it still makes me laugh. I mean, honest, look. I'm a 35, 36 year old, no social media dude. You know what I mean? Like, my wife has an Instagram. I do not have an Instagram. My wife has a Twitter. I do not have a Twitter. I get all my memes from Facebook, and my Facebook's nothing more than like stocks, Legos, and cats. Like, I'm a wildly, like, I have no idea how this whole thing built so quickly. And man, I love so many of you. There are some newer people too that are starting to really interact a lot, and it's making me so happy. But man, I can't believe what and it, I just love I love showing this for real. Literally, first video was June 12th, all right? 11 days from a year. And dude, 6 views, 4 views, 5 views. Like, it took a minute to get to double digits and the first like. Can I tell you how sad I was? Give me a second. Let's see how long it took. All right, it wasn't a meet. You know how sad I was when I got my first dislike? Oh my gosh. It was horrible, right? Now, like, I'm getting more likes than some of my original, like, it's crazy. I've started doing some new things with my like my these things. I don't know what they're called, sorry, but yeah, I'm trying to go for a lighter, easier read versus these darker ones. Starting to do like the hashtag stuff. I'm trying to, like, make YouTube happy, right? But man, end of the day, look, I haven't made a single penny doing this. And I swear, I have been more excited watching these numbers grow. Basically, this one right here and this one right here. I've been more excited here than on my personal TD account. Like, for real, making these grow has been as cool as making my money grow. And like, I swear that. And man, just thank you for real, thank you. And like, it's cool how nice people are on these like comments. It's I feel like we're building something really like friendly and safe, and I love it. And then the last thing I do want to call out, yes, I do everything on Paint. Every single thing I do I have no idea how to like Photoshop. I have no idea how to do SEO stuff. Like, dude, I'm telling you, I have no idea how all this has happened. And thank you. I do plan on doing video stuff soon. All right. I'm gonna show my face at some point. I just don't know when yet. I'll figure that out. But yeah, I'm so excited to keep doing this, and I can't believe how close this shit is to 4,000. So I've enjoyed doing this for free. I'm gonna keep doing the same thing. Like, once this stuff goes, like, my goal is not to get greedy on this thing. Like, I love doing this. I'm telling you. So hey, thank you so much. Have a great one. All right.